This is YFM-M34L, the auto metal chain lacquering and waxing and ironing machine. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, please put the long chain with the mother tape like this, okay, and the long chain will go through like this way, okay, and please switch on the power and you will see the power indicator will be on, okay. After that, please switch on the motor. The inside has the motor, will make air blowing, and here is the heating. Please press the heating on. You will see here the voltage indicator will be on, and another heating, two heatings, and you will see the two heatings, the indicators will be lights on, okay. And please switch on the waxing switch. You switch on the waxing switch. Here has waxing temperature control. You need to set up around 105 degrees, okay, 105 degrees, and you will see the waxing. The waxing is melted. The wax will be melted, so the waxing device will get hotter and hotter, okay. So you must make sure the wax must be like this. And here is the temperature control. The temperature control, you must be controlled like a 140 degree. 140 degree is the lacquering. You must reach in 140 degrees. It's very important, okay. And here is a cooling fan. Please switch on the cooling fan. If you switch on the cooling fan, here is the cooling fan, okay. The air will come through to here. And you need to wait until the temperature reaching 140 degrees, and you can start the machine. And before starting the machine, I need to introduce this machine to you. The inside is the ironing woven, has 4 lines. The first one line, the tape is straight, no reverse, okay. But second and third line is reversing, and the final line is also straight. So there's the 4 lines. There's the 4 lines. Please check carefully. Like this. Okay. And we have to wait for the temperature reaching the 140 degree, and I'm going to introduce, this is the lacquering device. Lacquering device here is controlling the thickness of the lacquer. How many millimeters you want to put the lacquer on your chain, you must control from here, okay. So normally we control is 0.05 millimeters to 0.1 millimeters lacquer will be attached on the long chain. And here is the wheel control. Now it's not touching the wheel, okay. But when the long chain is coming out to here, you need to modify the wheel to touch the long chain a little bit, okay, but not touching the feeder coat. If you are making a gaping, you do not touching the feeder coat, just a bit, okay, because now we don't start the machines, so we have to leave a little bit, leave the chain, okay. So you have two devices. the two devices, one is put on the lacquer for one side and another one is put on the lacquer for another side. Okay, so you must use the lacquer like this, and here is the wax. Okay, and now the chain is reaching the 132 degree, and we can start the machine because the chain get into the woven need time. Okay, so please switch on the inverter power, and you will see the inverter has the data. Okay, and you can switch on the running switch. Okay, so when all the switches are reaching, and you can press the start. Here is the control panel. This control panel is controlling the machine running or stopped. So it's very easy. Sometimes you want to stop, you will need to stop here immediately. Okay, so you can press the start. So now the temperature we set up to 150 degree because we want to make it high, and now you can make it 140, like 145 degree. Okay, and then you can start the machine. When you start the machine, you can control the speed from here. Okay, according to your result, you can control quicker or slower. Okay, and then the chain will start to get into the woven. Okay, now we are going to modify. Going to modify the lacquering now. So please adjust the height of the lacquer wheel. Okay, now okay, this one is perfect. Just touching. Okay, you must make sure the lacquer just attached on the wheel only. Okay, so lacquer attached on the chain teeth, only touching the teeth. Okay, you must make sure the two wheels running must be smooth. Okay, like this. Okay, and here is controlling the lacquer's quantity. Not too much. Okay, so the best is 0.05 millimeters to 0.1 millimeters. Okay, another side. 另外一边. So another side, you also need to modify it. So before the long chains, your long chains come to the lacquering device, you must modify everything like this. Okay, and now you need to attach the wax. The waxing devices, you just need to make the wax touching the teeth a bit. Okay, so now the chain is coming out. The blue chain is coming out. Okay, so it's coming out to attach the lacquer. So you need to check carefully the wheel is running smooth or not. If you want a better result, you can control the speed. I suggest is like 20. Okay, you must make a speed according to your result. If you want a better result, you must make it a little bit slower. So you need to check lacquer attached. The lacquer attached is smooth or not, and also the quantity not too much. If you put too much quantity, the feeder coat will become hard. Okay, the wax also. Okay. Now the blue chain is go through the second lacquer attached wheel. The best ironing time is around 15 minutes. from the beginning to the end. Okay, the long chain must be staying in the woven around 15 minutes. Is the best ironing time. You must control like this. Okay, you can see the long chain that comes out with the lacquering. The lacquer is attached on the teeth and the tape is still soft. Okay, very important. If the tape become hard, means you put too much lacquer on it. Okay, now you can see the lacquer after attaching the tape is soft. Okay, a bolt method is teaching you how to operate this machine. Okay, if you want to stop the machine anytime, you can stop it from here. Okay. During the lacquering, if you want to make sure, you need to check the lacquer is whether it's good or not. So if the lacquer is not enough, you need to edit the lacquer into the container. Okay. Now the chain comes out. And result is good. Okay. Okay, so we finished the machinery testing. And please press the off to stop the machine first, and then please switch off the running switch, inverter power, waxing switch, cooling fan, heating, motor and power. Okay, a Bob Master is teaching you how to operate this machine. We finished the machinery testing.